Hello, namaste, welcome. My name is Tiina Kivinen. Thank you so much for joining me here. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here. In this video, we're practicing pratapana, which is a series of gentle, user-friendly movements that are often used in yoga practice to help warm the major muscles and joints of the body and prepare the body for more asanas or yoga postures. However, pratapana can also be used as a technique all unto itself to improve mobility, to orient to your body, to improve vital energy, to connect with the breath. So many different benefits to experiencing a gentle pratapana practice. This pratapana will be experiencing from a kneeling position. So go ahead and shift in your space, maybe on your yoga mat or blanket, into a kneeling position known as table on hands and knees. As you find table, plant your hands or your wrists under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. We'll begin with the movements of flexion and extension. As you inhale, lower the belly, lift the tailbone, lift the heart, lift the crown of the head. Exhaling to round, tucking the chin and tailbone under, rounding through the back. Inhale, lower the belly, lift the heart, the crown, the tail. Exhale, rounding into cat, continuing back and forth between these two postures known as cat and cow or cat and dog. Flowing back and forth to feel the gentle wave-like movement of your spine, warming the spine in a gentle way. And pausing with the spine neutral for a moment. Let's circle our hips gently round and round. As you circle the hips, you might also bring some freedom into the rest of the body, perhaps rotating your ribs, moving the shoulders, wagging your tail, still noticing your breath as you move freely. Beautiful. Pausing in center with a neutral spine. And now, with your next inhale, extend your right leg back behind you. And then as you exhale, tap your right toes over to the left side floor, drawing your left ear towards your left shoulder. Inhale to come to center with the leg lifted. Exhale, tap over to the right, draw your right ear towards the right shoulder. Inhale to center. Exhale, tapping left ear to left shoulder, inhaling to center. Exhale to the right, right ear to right shoulder. Continuing side to side, perhaps with the rhythm of your breath. Finding the C shape or lateral movement of your spine, adding in some core awareness of the low belly, strengthening of the glutes. Beautiful. Let's lower the right knee down. Come back to neutral and find a nice circular movement through the hips, the spine, the shoulders, the ribs. You might even like to roll the wrists out, maybe squeezing and extending the fingers. To return to table as you're ready. That same flow on the other side. As you inhale, left leg extends back. Exhaling, tapping left toes towards the right as right ear draws towards right shoulder. Inhaling, left leg lifts, head to center. Exhale, tapping over to the left side, left ear towards left shoulder. Inhaling to center. Exhale, tap right, finding the C curve in the spine from side to side. No need to rush through the movements. Wonderful. And then drawing your left knee back underneath your left hip, finding some gentle circles through hips, spine, ribs, shoulders, wrists, whatever your body needs. Finding your breath. Wonderful. Let's come back to tabletop position once again. As we're exploring the different ways the spine moves, we'll move into rotation next, or twisting. Beginning with your inhale, sweep your right arm out to the side and up, open the heart to the right. And then exhale and thread your right arm under the left. Inhale, sweeping the heart open to the right, right arm lifts high. Exhaling, threading right arm under left. Follow your breath. Until you lower the right hand back to the earth, underneath the right shoulder. We'll move to the other side. Inhale, left arm sweeps up, heart lifts. Exhaling, left arm threads under right. Follow your breath, inhaling, opening the heart, reaching high. Exhale, threading under. Back and forth. Wonderful, until you land with left hand back underneath left shoulder. And a few more circles with hips, spine, shoulders, wrists, whatever your body needs. And let's close this gentle pratapana practice by coming into child's pose. You might widen the knees apart. Let your upper body bow forward and down. Perhaps resting your head to the floor or onto your stacked arms or fists. Let your breath flow into the back of the body. And let the front of your body soften into the earth. Take a few more breaths here, noticing how you feel in an awareness pause. Welcoming any sensation. Welcoming yourself to be here fully in this moment. And take as many more breaths here as you wish in your practice. And I thank you so much for being here with me. Please do leave a comment on the video, letting me know your experience. If you're part of the Embodied Wisdom 200-hour yoga teacher training, we'd love to hear from you in the comments below with your reflections on pratapana. Please like and subscribe and share the video, and follow the links provided in the description for more information about the upcoming retreats, yoga teacher trainings, including 200-hour online and restorative moon-to-moon yoga teacher trainings, Costa Rica and Ontario, Canada retreats. Thank you. Be well.